my loves, welcome back to another video. I have a product for you guys. Ding! This product is actually very special for me because I struggle sleeping, and for the longest time I would sleep in scenarios where the people that lived upstairs from me or next to me would make so much noise and it would just be horrible. And we all know at this point, if you don't get good sleep, you are not gonna have a good day. Like, your health is just gonna decline and decline and decline. And now more than everything, like you guys see my Oura ring, I am prioritizing my health, so it is very important for me to prioritize my sleep. With that being said, I have quite a few sound sleep machines. I have one that I constantly have in my over there at my bed on my right hand side. This is my left hand side of the bed. And that one's really good, but I notice when I sleep on that side with my face that side, it blocks out most noise with the white noise. But then on this side, if I wanted to just switch sides, which I do, I sleep like an animal, the noise from upstairs still affects me. So we have this 2-in-1 sound machine and night light. And I think this is really good too because I follow a 3-2-1 rule prior to going to sleep. Well, technically I added 4 to it. So for me, it's a 4-3-2-1 rule. So 4 hours before bed, no food. 3 hours before bed, no drink. 2 hours before bed, no electronics. And pretty much the phone and TV. And 1 hour before bed, do something that's like calming, soothing, whether it's reading, meditation, etc. For me, reading the Bible. For me, reading the Bible or, you know, reading a book, that's not gonna cause me to think too much because I'm an overthinker. So for me, I like to kind of have all the lights off like 2 hours before bed. So not like off where it's pitch black, but dim, you know, to get me winding down, if that makes sense. So the fact that this is a night light and a sound machine, I'm very excited. So we're unboxing it together. First of all, I already love that it is very small. So that means I can put this in my travel suitcase, and if I spend the night at a hotel when I'm traveling or visiting family, it won't be a problem as far as space. User guide, comes with a user guide here. And then it also comes with a cable. It is USB-C to USB-A, which is really good. I have like a million of these though. Let's just power it on really quick before I put the cable in. Okay, so it's not charged, that's fine. So let's just power it on. I'll change the what's the word? I'll change the angle of the camera so that you're able to see it better, and we'll play around with it. I'm really excited. Alright you guys, this is very user-friendly, by the way. All the buttons are really self-explanatory. And I forgot to mention, if you don't want it for yourself, you can also give it, you know, for a kid, children or babies. So it's very versatile. And also, I forgot to tell you guys, I love that this doesn't have to stay plugged up, that you charge it and then you get on with your life. But it does have adjustable brightness. It has the 7 ambient color lights, which you are seeing right now. And it has a timer function, which I will show you after we get through all of these beautiful 7 different colors. So you can see there that it does have a timing section. You just have to make sure your fingers like pressed away from the RGB and closer to the time, and then you have to hold it down and you'll see where it has those 90 minutes, 30 minutes, etc. So you see how I just held it down and then it lights up, and it'll light at the half an hour, the hour, and then the 90 minutes. It also has a memory function, which is really cool, and I just really think that this is the best thing ever. And I love also they have a sound selection of soothing sounds. So I'm going to tell you the sounds now so that I'm not talking too much over them. So they have a white noise, pink noise, brown noise, fan sounds, which I'll probably like, lullabies, thunderstorm, rain, ocean waves, brook, bird sings, bird song, summer night, campfire, wind, train, a little star, heartbeat, slushing, and hairdryer. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you also use a noise machine or some type of ambient light to help you sleep. And until my next video, you guys.